After 1 million years, the return. Dude, look at this. I get to actually type. Oh. Okay, first, before I say anything, dude, this fucking new Discord is so ass, dude. Okay. I get to type @programming, dude. Look at this. You can't even read it because it's so dark, and it's been so long. The return, baby. Although today is gonna be less. I mean, okay, it is gonna be. It's more like a programming, just like testing some shit out stream, right? Rather than a. Or at least I'm planning on that. Maybe I just fucking I look at it and I'm like, this is either dog shit or it's awesome, and I just implement it. But the plan today is really just to mess around with the Godot networking stuff. Because I don't know, I mean, you know, I used the tile map system and it was ass and I shouldn't have. And I could, like, you know, for real, do some shit. Or I mean, make my own. But if I can use the Godot stuff and it's nice to work with, then, you know, I'd love to. That's right, no lie, dude. So we're gonna make a new project, okay? New project, just network test. Okay, hold on. I gotta put it in evil land, okay. Yeah, this is probably fine, okay. It's not empty. What's it called? Network test. Okay. Okay. That's right. I've never lied ever in my damn life, brother. But yeah, so I'm making a new project. We're just gonna mess around with some new stuff, okay? So I'm gonna just, like, realistically speaking, I'm just gonna look at what they have. Like, I'm literally gonna click fucking, you know, 2D scene, and then I'm gonna add a child node and just see what's happening, bro. Yeah, so, okay, here. I guess before I look into this really quickly, I can give you a quick, brief run over of what I'm trying to do. Because this is, I mean, okay, look, this is gonna be pretty technical, okay? It's gonna be pretty technical. Because this is the thing I'm actually legit trained on, okay? That's right, I'm here. I've never lied ever, Cappy. I was gonna stream earlier today, but then my mom and I were talking about Luigi Mangione, and I was like, he's my goat, and she was like, he's not my goat. I'm like, what the fuck, dude? Like, he's not. But okay, so here's the plan, all right? So what I want to do is, first I gotta activate Pirate Software mode. What I want to do though is I want to make it so that like I don't even know if I can get this to work, to be honest with you. Like, to be totally honest with you, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna take a lot of work. I don't know if I'm actually gonna stream the whole development of it, because it's look, debugging networking stuff, first of all, is like speedrun dox your IP address, which I have done, for the record, in past dev streams when I was working on like some Node.js stuff. Dude, my IP was on screen like permanently because it's just always there in MOBA Xterm, and like, you know, whatever, it's fine. But I'll try to do at least a decent amount, you know what I mean? But yeah, so the plan is to essentially have, so both games, right? They're gonna be clock synced, okay? So what this means is basically, because obviously in Factorio, right? If I have a trillion items, right, and they're all going on a conveyor, right? I don't want to have to send a packet for each of those and update them every frame, right? That'd be horrible, right? So in reality, what I want to do is I want to have them be clock synced. So then I know exactly what update, or each game should be synced to an update. So you set this up by, at the beginning, when you connect to the game, you have some time where basically all they're doing is talking to each other and saying, okay, here's the packet I'm on, here's the frame I'm on, here's the frame I'm on, here's the frame I'm on. And we're just gonna keep track of the frame number the whole game. Or specifically update number, not frame number. Because my game's gonna run at 60 updates per second UPS, which is like the default Factorio number. I don't know why, don't ask me. It just is. So I want each game to basically, like when you join a game, your game will be running on the same frame update system, or frame, as the other one. So if there's a plate, what the fuck? If there's a plate in this game, right, and it was put down on update 0, right, then this game is the host, so it's always going to be ahead by some number of frames, right? That's just how multiplayer works. It's going to be ahead by like a tiny bit. So we add input delay to both games, right? Like, let's say like 5 or like 2 frames input delay. I mean, you do this anyways in any multiplayer game. For those who don't know, every multiplayer game has a tiny bit of input delay. Because you just have to, and then you have to for both jitter and other stuff. There's plenty of reasons why, but for both games, and hopefully, the updates per second will. I mean, I might have to do math for this. I don't know. This is something that I really have to test, right? If like this game, if the ping is really huge, then obviously the frame delay is gonna have to be bigger. But maybe we can only do that for clients, regardless. Essentially, they should be showing the same plate. So even though this game is ahead by 2 frames, because they're clock synced, and I know how many milliseconds ahead the host is from me, I can just add that many more updates to this thing. So essentially what we're doing is we're doing a clock sync at the beginning, so then we can activate rollback on individual tiles. So rollback, for those who don't know, it's the way that fighting games, or any like good fighting game other than like fucking Smash Bros, got none of that shit, dude. Actually, let me look it up. This Tekken 8 rollback. Does it have rollback? It does have rollback, and it has rollback settings too. Look at that, dude. But rollback is basically, so if I do an input on this game, right, on game 1, and it sends it over, and instead of getting to the other game, it dies, right? This game doesn't receive it, so on my screen, I've got my guy here, and this guy is throwing a punch. On my screen, he's still just standing, right? Rollback is basically, then it tries to send it again, and let's say it gets there 3 frames late. So 3 frames later, this gets there, because I'm sending a packet every frame, right? This game will now throw the punch and then update just this character 3 times without running the graphics or anything. So essentially, he'll jump from being here to throwing the punch 3 frames in, which obviously makes it a little bit harder to react to, but it's way better than when this frame drops, the game just pauses, because that's normally how it works, right? And most of the time, the game will just pause if you're not doing rollback system. The game will just pause until that packet gets there, because I mean, how else would you do it, right? So it makes the gameplay experience way better. That's why Smash, for anyone who doesn't play Smash Online, like Smash Ultimate Online, is so Omega Dog. And it freezes every 2 seconds because you just drop 1 frame or 1 packet, and then you have to wait until they're both synced again. Both clients' clocks are synced, and any events under that sync clock will be triggered in a fixed state. Yeah, basically. But so then, for like an inserter, right? If an inserter starts or is placed and starts picking up something on this client, right? If I place an inserter and there's like an item here, right? I mean here. If there's an item and I place an inserter, right? This inserter will rotate by 3 frames, right? Before it gets to here, right? Or it could at least, right? I mean, again, we're gonna have an input delay so that they should be showing the exact same frame. That's the plan. And like, with a perfect connection, they should be showing the exact same frame. That's how it should be working. But then if I drop a frame, rather than having to pause both games and then figure out where we are, what we can do instead is place this one. And if this client does not know that it's placed until 3 frames later, the same way that in the fighting game, it throws the punch, we just place the inserter and then update it 3 times, right? And by doing that, they should now be once again synced back to the same exact frame, and everything should like line up again. Now again, doing that, like, it sounds cool and all. Doing this in reality, extremely hard. Like, just doing rollback in general is pretty fucking hard. I mean, there are multiple ways to do rollback. One of the ways, I think, what's it called? Mortal Kombat is the game that does it this way. Mortal Kombat, they do their rollback where they rewind the game. So if this is the game, you got your guy, and you got your other guy. They will reset the game by 3 frames, and then they will re-simulate your inputs and the new input from the guy, and then display that frame. Another thing also is that rollback, obviously, it's pretty fucking hard, right? Like, it's pretty hard because you have to re-simulate a thing. Thankfully, making a 2D game, so it's pretty easy, right? Like, if you're making a big 3D game, it's really hard to do rollback because you have to redo a lot of other stuff. But that's the plan for tiles. So, I do have 2 different ideas. I want to do one for tiles, right? Like a conveyor belt, because those cannot be sent over every frame. And then we're gonna have a second world, or like a second type for enemies. So like an enemy comes up, right? Like a dude comes up to attack. This guy is not gonna get rolled back or anything. He's just gonna be there, and we're gonna have all the weapons and stuff be host dependent. So whatever the host sees, it just sends it over to the client, because it should always line up basically, because it's not PvP. Like all the weapons in this game, at least currently, I'm planning it so that they don't. They're not player controlled, right? It's just like a turret with an AoE radius. So like, right, we have like, you got a turret and it just shoots anything that enters this radius, right? That's currently the plan. So it shouldn't really matter if it's slightly off. And also, the players aren't probably gonna be looking at the combat all that often, so it should be fine, you know? What's up, Sent? Long time no see. I mean, I guess long time no game dev stream, huh? But like, hey, I didn't talk about that part, okay? In terms of missing processing, the client, which lacks behind the sync processes pre-processing X amount of times. Yeah, pretty much. And then it knows how far it's behind because their clocks are synced. I don't know actually, like, so okay, the biggest like hurdles in this are gonna be essentially, so the first thing we're gonna have to build is we're gonna have to build network diagnostics. So like, obviously I can't, you know, if I'm playing with myself and I open 2 games on my own computer, right? I have 0 ping, and I have literally 0 packet drop, right? So first thing we have to build is ping diagnostic, the ability to fake ping and the ability to fake packet drop, like with just sliders and stuff, right? And then being able to deal with clock syncing with a big, wildly ranging ping, that's the hard part. And making sure that I am actually synced up is going to be hard. The other thing that's going to be hard is that if the host actually, like, FPS or UPS lags, everyone has to lag, which that part kind of sucks ass, and I'm going to have to clock spin a little bit, but I don't see another way to get around it, you know what I mean? So, what's up, Aiden Experience? Probably don't remember how's the roguelike going. Well, it's not a mod. Just for the record, not a mod. It's a custom game, and it hasn't been going for quite some time, which is probably why I don't remember you, because it's been like 3 months since I streamed this, but hey, you know what, better late than never, huh? I don't know. So that's what I'm doing today. Today, I'm probably not gonna work on the game that much. I am mostly gonna be looking into how good and, like, you know, ready for use the Godot's high level stuff. I don't know. Because I have no idea. Maybe it works and it's just goated. So, you know. I mean, if it's good, like, okay, because like the reason why I'm thinking about doing it this whole convoluted way is because no matter how good Godot's networking is, there's no way it's gonna be able to simulate and sync millions of items, right? Like if I have 400 or like 500 conveyor belts, and each conveyor belt has 4 items on it, right? That's 2,000 tiles, or 2,000 items that it has to sync. And then that's like a pretty small base, realistically speaking, right? That's not counting inserters and not counting crafters and all that stuff. So like, I don't know. Like, I'm just thinking, like, okay, just from like a if I were to do this manually kind of thing, that would be 4,000 times 3 times 4 for the position, and then times 60. Yeah, so that's 2.8 megs megabits of data per second, which obviously that's not like crazy, but again, this is for like a pretty small base, realistically speaking. I think Fork wanted to make a lobby client system, but I have no clue if they actually implemented clock syncing. I doubt it. Clock syncing is kind of a niche thing, honestly. It's not super used. It's normally only used in multiplayer PvP games. I'm just doing it to flex, you know. I gotta get my resume piece. You know what I'm saying, brother? Well, okay, but so without what do you call? Without clock syncing and rollback, there's not really a way for it to sync only abnormalities, right? Like, so like, I mean, maybe Godot does it by default already, I don't know. But like this multiplayer spawner and synchronizer, I assume this will, yeah, so the replicates a spawnable node from the authority to other multiplayer peers. This is gonna be 2 frames behind, right? Or like however much ping behind, right? Like, I mean, it could be 1 frame, I guess, right? Like if I have 1 ping and it gets there on the frame, then I'm 1 frame behind and now everything breaks, right? They have to be, like, because it's Factorio, they have to be exactly on the same frame, right? Which is a big thing. Otherwise, things are gonna get, like, I mean, it's like super butterfly effect, right? Like, if one item gets there a frame too late, the inserter could miss that item and pick a different one, and then, you know, now there's an item at the end of the belt, and then now another item got crafted with that item at the end of the belt, and it just, like, dies, right? It just like super duper dies. So, you know, I mean, there's definitely better. Okay, I should say there are easier ways to fake it, but I don't want to fake it. Just because I think it is important to be able to see everything moving in the way it's supposed to be. Like, I think that's a good thing in the Factorio game. Like, if you can't actually see how your factory is working in real time, like perfectly, you know, it's kind of a problem, I guess. I mean, maybe not. I don't know. I have to test it. Because, like, the easiest way to do this would be just, what do you call it? Like, you basically just have the games tell each other that, like, an item has been picked up, and if it has, then just delete it. Right? And you just fake everything, which we would still send a decent amount of you know, networks, like, or stuff over the network, but like, not really, right? It really wouldn't be that much. So, you know. So yeah, so today I'm basically just looking into what we can do with the like built-in stuff, which seemingly it only looks like these two, which is less than I thought it would be, honestly. I thought there would be quite a few more things here. No, like. Okay, sure. Multiplayer synchronizer. Okay. Okay, if you say so, you just put it on and it works, maybe? I don't fucking know, dude. Surprising that for one stream doesn't have PoE open. It's because it's gone. PoE, the new league was like a fake league, and it's like dead. When it comes out later, I'll fix it. Okay. Yeah, so that's kind of what what I was saying. Like you could just fake a lot of shit. Like I just think. Well, okay. First of all, you know, it's a good flex, right? Like this is like, you know, I can't be unemployed for forever unless I make this my full-time thing, right? Which, you know, after 5 years of streaming almost, I don't know if that's the smartest idea, considering I you know, your boy's at the same level here, right? But so it's a good resume piece for one. Also, I think it's really interesting because I've never done something like this before. Most of my networking experience before was like not good. A lot of the stuff were you know, were not good, I will say. Like it worked, but it was not amazing quality wise, right? I was a Twitch. I mean, I am Twitch streaming, but like I think I get paid less than an actual sweatshop worker per hour. Pretty confident. I mean, I guess technically the less I stream, the more I get paid per hour because of subs, but like, you know. A valid node path must be set in spawn path property in order for multiplayer spawn to be able to spawn in nodes. What the fuck? Okay. Spawn path. Okay. Path to spawn route. Okay, so what if I just click myself? That is that good? Auto spawn list. Let's right, okay, that's a problem. Okay, I gotta make a thing. Yeah, I assume spawn path. I mean, looking at what it says, I think spawn path is where it spawns at, and I guess what it's parented to. Maybe. I mean, like I said, we're just testing stuff out, dude, right? So I don't have an element here, and I assume this is a resource. It's a scene. Okay. So let's just make a scene. Guy. Okay, we're gonna make a guy. Let's add just guy. Where's guy.png, dude? Right 2D, and then here I gotta get what do you call here. Go in my art. We're gonna get the happy again. Okay. Okay, great. So now put the thing. Very cool. Save this as guy. Okay, so now I put in guy, and we'll say this as like main, right? Project. We'll have this run the main scene. Okay. Look, I don't need the docs until I need them. You know what I mean? Once we get there, you know, I'll have to do something, but. Holy shit, that was a big lag. Okay. Oh, okay. I thought you meant tutorial as in look up a guy's tutorial. Okay, Godot multiplayer. High level multiplayer Godot docs. Okay, I see. It has support for UDP TCP. Okay, good. And it has SSL, which I'm not going to use, probably. Using them to synchronize game state manually can be a large amount of work. Sometimes that work can't be avoided or is worth it, for example, when working with a custom server implementation on the back end, but in most cases, it's worthwhile to consider Godot's high-level networking API, which sacrifices some of the fine-grained control of low networking for greater ease of use. I know what this does already. I don't need that. Mid-level extraction. Godot uses a mid-level object multiplayer peer. Okay. It's not meant to be created directly, but is designed so that several C++ implementations can provide it. This object extends from packet peer, so it inherits all the useful methods for serializing, sending, and receiving data. Okay, let's just check what these things do really quickly. Get packet, put packet. Okay, sure. So this is just send and receive. Easy. Sure. And the max buffer size is 8 megabits. Okay. I do. Okay, so it throws an error. Okay, good. Okay, good. Because I was gonna say, like, it is very important to know what happens. Thank you for blowing your load drag. It's very important to know what happens if the packet overrides. Because some implementations, it sends it and then it like it sends the full packet and then sends another packet with the smaller whatever's left over, which is really bad. You know, so yeah, this just looks like a it just looks like this is like the socket. So then multiplayer peer, what do you do? So like, okay, what we could do is we could probably use these for the player movement. player movement should be pretty easy. Like, it doesn't need to be perfect. I don't really care. Like, okay, I want to be like clear. Like, a big part of being a multiplayer gameplay engineer is realizing how much you can fake and how much doesn't matter. Like, one of the biggest things that you want to learn is to not actually replicate everything, right? So, like, for example, in my college game, it's a PvE game, right? Co-op game. And let's say I'm over here, right? And there's like big evil guy, right? This is the big evil guy. And my friend's over here, right? And on my screen, big evil guy goes this way and my friend shoots, right? And on my friend's screen, because he's a little bit behind, like he's a couple frames behind, he hits the guy. The chances that I actually see him miss, like this projectile miss, is like basically 0. And even if it does, I'm not gonna go, haha, oh, you missed, and then my friend's gonna go, oh, I didn't miss, and like, I guess, like, who cares, right? Unless it happens every time, in which case there's a problem, but basically that's not a thing. And the same way in, like, you know, my game, if my guy is slightly further away and he places a tile over here, who fucking cares, right? So a lot of this is gonna be how much can we fake and how much actually matters. And then for the parts that actually matter, we need to make it so that, you know, it's fast and efficient and easy to build off of, right? So. Scroll down a bit further on the high-level multiplayer tutorial and it shows you how to make a lobby. Oh, wait, there's a lobby? What the fuck? I just typed multiplayer semicolon? That's fucking crazy. Okay. Oh, let me keep reading. Class interface can abstract most types of network layers, topologies, and libraries. By default, Godot provides an implementation based on eNet, one based on WebRTC, and one based on WebSocket. Oh, nice. Okay, cool. I don't know what eNet is, but I know what these two are. For most complications, this object is directly discouraged. It's going to provide an even higher level network facilities. Okay, sure, whatever. Yeah, this is what we're doing, by the way. We're doing this, or local host. No need to port forward. And I should build a. I mean, I guess in the future I should build a host because I'm pretty sure I don't have a strict NAT. Pretty sure I have I don't have type D, unless I do, in which case I guess I'm fucking screwed. To be fair, I don't entirely know how NATs work and what the difference between them is, but I just know that some types of NAT, there's some abstraction that makes it so people can't connect to you at all. Which, like, my old apartment had that. I could not run a Minecraft server on my computer, and I could not host Parsec on my computer, which is kind of cringe, but I'm pretty sure that I don't have that, so I don't know, bro. Is this portchecker.io? Oh, ICANN has zip. Okay, fine. Yeah, it is pretty cringe. Okay. There are reasons to have, like, I don't know how, like, why it works that way or how it works, but there are obviously reasons. Like, if you're in an apartment, you have a shared, like, Wi-Fi network that comes with the apartment, then having a NAT type D is really good. I don't even know if type D is the only one that works that way, or having a strict NAT. I don't fucking, like, I ran into a lot of NAT problems actually when I was working, you know, professionally as my job, and I fucking didn't get it, dude. I didn't get that shit at all, brother. Probably IPv4's fault. No, I don't think it's IPv4. I think it's like a specific router thing. I mean, here, you guys want to do some learning? You want to get some knowledge? NAT type. Open, moderate, and strict. It's a router's firewall and the settings of the device. But like, there's like NAT type 2. Yeah, like type 2. I guess that's mod. What is type B? So type B is on a switch apparently, and it can connect online, but then Yeah, so if you have a strict NAT, what the fuck is strict NAT type, dude? Strict NAT type. But why? Why is this? Why is it a thing though, dude? I think it's because NAT type B is. I don't think it's only Switch, obviously, because you know, there's probably more things. But most people who have problems with NAT type B have through Switch. Like Switch has a lot of, I mean, online stuff just sucks on the Switch, so you know. You can change it on a piece from NordVPN, not sponsored. It's a method of remapping an IP address by modifying the information in a data packet's header. Network packets are the packages of information. Yeah, okay, whatever. So open has no restrictions and has no firewall. Well, no. So the router and the thing connecting can both have a NAT type. Like I think, I'm pretty sure, at least. Like maybe that's the difference between type 2 and type B. Like, okay, see here how there's no type B or C and D. What is the difference, brother? NAT type D. Network address translation type D. Okay, I think A and B and well, I think there's 4. NAT type F? You can't? What's the point of F, dude? You can't even connect to online? Maybe it was just, yeah, okay, maybe the A is just wrong. I don't fucking know, dude. I think you are right. Probably NAT is only for the router, I assume, but I don't know, dude. Yeah, it's a tier list. They skipped E. What the fuck, man? NAT type explained. Hello, home networking on Reddit. Yeah, okay, that's another weird thing, is that they're saying that to change your NAT type, you just turn on DMZ mode, which is obviously not fucking right, dude. Right? It's obviously not right, dude. Type 3. What is, okay, someone here? Type 1, open NAT. Type 2, moderate. Type 3. But where is A, B, C, D, F, bro? I don't understand, dude. I'm gonna go pee is what I'm gonna do. I'll be back in a sec. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna assume that A, B, C, D are probably just different types of type 1, type 2, type 3. Because nowhere else is even, hold on, that type A versus 1. Yeah, okay. They're essentially, I mean, this is also the fucking, this is evil AI, so it could be fucking Omega Giga wrong, but I mean, you know, you gotta gotta trust it at one point, huh? Internet was a mistake. I mostly agree. You guys ever look at like the actual low-level C++ internet code from Berkeley? Here, hold on. C++ low-level networking. Does it have, where's the docs? Where are the documents, bro? It's not ASIO. It's not even here. Like, is it WinSock 32? Okay, by the way, first, I want you guys to understand, you know what's crazy? WinSock 32 is not called WinSock 32 because it's 32-bit and not 64-bit. It's called that because it's fucking not 16-bit. That's how fucking old this shit is, dude. It's so bad. It is so bad. Here, let's see. Do they have it here? Yeah. Here's where all the dog shit starts. IOCP, WSA poll, WASA accept. It's been so long since I looked at this dog shit, bro. Oh, yeah. But I gotta find, is it, hold on. C++, like IP adder. Yeah, sock adder in. Yeah, this is the big one, dude. Here's where we get to the shit, dude. IP adder 4. No, this is like a real thing. Hold on. Is it here? Yeah. Okay. So look. Do you see this? sa.sin adder? Okay. This sock adder in. No, that's the one. Hold on. Sock adder in. Yes, ws2.def. Okay, look at this shit, dude. It has a if ... else end if, right? And I don't even know why it's like, why is it called sin family? What is sin port? And then in adder. Look at this. Why is it just, this is unironically how they low-level store a fucking IP with just char over and over, dude. It's so bad. It's so bad. Cause okay. So basically, rather than having like a string or whatever, right? This is 192.168.1.1. It's so bad. And it's also called SB1. What kind of naming convention is this, Berkeley? You fucks! Look at this. Fucking Sunsunba. So bad. It's crazy how bad, like, all of this networking stuff is. The AFINet family of it's so bad, dude. It's crazy how bad it is. So yeah, this shit is ass. This doc ain't readable. I agree. Well, no, I'm aware it's a union, but it still doesn't have to be called fucking SB1 and SW1. It's so bad. No, I don't need the AI to tell me the docs. I don't want this. Look at this, dude. The minimum supported client is Windows 2000 Professional, bro. That's how old this is. It's so ass. Did I leave my water bottle? Fuck. All right, hold on. No, I understand that they're saying this, but like when you look at the code, this doesn't tell you anything. Is all I'm saying, right? Like I get it that it is what do you call struct union, right? I understand, but that is the worst naming convention I've ever seen. Like I don't fuck. It's just not it, dude. It looks like alien code when I look at it. It's so nasty. Anyways, what was I learning before? Oh yeah, nat type, where we were learning. That's right. Okay, yeah. So, look, guys. If I click this, I get doxxed. Yeah, baby. No fucking way. I did a dox button in. Hype as fuck, dude. Okay, so in the scene tree, each node has some shit. Yeah. No, I agree. It is really old. It's like super old, right? I mean, it was made in the 90s, and it's by Berkeley students. I'm just saying, Berkeley students, come the fuck on, dude. Look, I have a vendetta against Berkeley, because not only did I decline I got in, and I declined that shit, dude. fucking mogged them, dude. And then they cheated in a programming competition, and we would have won if they didn't cheat, but they cheated. So I like fuck Berkeley, dude. Anyways, multiplayer. What? Oh, great. Thank you. Fucking deleter. Did it not actually ban? I'm gonna assume the ban is chill. Yeah, it is also older than me. I think by a pretty large margin. Like, you're probably 5 or 6 years older than me. Each node is a multiplayer property, which is a reference to the multiplayer API instance configured for it by the scene. Okay, what is a multiplayer API instance? It didn't fucking... But what is that? What is this? Every node is configured with the same default multiplayer API object. Okay, but where? Where? Okay, thank you. Oh, is this the same shit? No, it's not the same shit. Okay. It provides multiplayer capabilities, i.e. RPCs, across the whole scene. Yeah, like I'm gonna use fucking RPC. No thanks, dude. I'm actually good. XML RPC can suck my ass, dude. So this is the server? Maybe? Maybe? Potentially? Maybe? I don't fucking know, dude. What's up, Blizzy? What if I made games too instead of making really shitty CRUD applications? I love create and update and remove and delete. Fucking hate HTTP, dude. Fuck that shit, bro. Wait, but connected to... Okay, multiplayer API has a multiplayer peer. Where I just... Oh, I see. Okay. Wait, it's only using RPC? Wait, why? What does Scallop? Manages a connection with one or more remote peers acting as server or client. And gives me the... Okay, so this gives me the unique ID and stuff, which is cool. I mean, okay, so what I want to, you know, for sure... hopefully do, like my ideal for everything would be that I can use a majority of the Godot high-level stuff to get the game, like the basic stuff running, and then I can kind of edit it, because I don't want to have to disconnect it. Like connecting and disconnecting to a server is so ass, dude. Like, oh my god, that shit sucks, dude. You time out and it's just like and then you like sometimes DCs you and sometimes it doesn't, and it's just like it's so annoying, and you just have to finagle and tinker with it for like literally hours. Like I've spent hours of my life like just opening a client and a server, and then I just close one and watch it. And oh god, yeah, no. So hopefully I can just do that. That would be awesome. Like if this works the way, like if the multiplayer peer can work as just like a you know a wrapper around all the stuff I don't want to have to do, that would be awesome, right? When exporting to Android, make sure to enable the internet permission in the Android export preset. Okay, whatever. Packet channel, packet mode. Oh, also, actually, Sen, do you know if this is multi-threaded or no? Is it async? It might be asynchronous. One of the old veteran games, we had timeout protection in case you had crashed and didn't select disconnect packet. Yeah, I had the same thing. But like, it's just getting that to be correct is like super ass. You know what I mean? Like, getting it to actually DC correctly and getting the timeout to be right and stuff, it's just super ass. Like, I hate making a heartbeat packet and all that stuff. Like, I just, no, I'm good. Async, okay. I don't love async, but I don't hate it either. I mean, as long as I don't have to call too many waits, it should be fine. Transfer node. Transfer mode unreliable. Okay, this is TCP. Yeah, sure, okay. Cool. So yeah, actually this is kind of interesting. So I don't know if I can make multiple or not, but kind of the plan. At least, so what I've always done in the past is I've always had a TCP packet and a UDP packet, because there are some things that I do want to have, you know, get there and be correct, and there are other things where I, you know, don't care, right? So I always make a double connect. So I don't know if I can do that, or if I can switch it over, or if I just have two of these or not, but we'll see. Yeah, this is okay. This is just client versus server, sure. Refuse new connections, sure. Transfer channel uses channel to use the send packets. Many network APIs such as eNet and WebRTC allow the creation of multiple independent channels which behaves in a way like separate connections. Sure, okay. Oh, it is multi-threaded? Wait, really? Okay, good, because I really prefer having a multi-threaded setup for networking. I don't know, I just think it's way better. Like, I don't know, I just think it's way better. I don't know, like, just the way that I've done things in the past, it just makes a lot more sense in my head. Like, when I try to understand exactly how Node.js is asynchronous, it kind of like breaks my brain a little bit. And I do have to call away a decent amount because, like, I'm doing, you know, what's it called? Database calls. And you gotta await those, right? Or at least most of the time if you want to use the data, so. Okay, so we can kick people, we can make a new ID for the network ID, yep. Packet channel, packet mode, packet peer, poll. Oh, yeah, okay, sure. Okay, sure. So then, let's go back over here. Oh, I see. So we're just, okay, we're not just typing, okay, this is getting it. So I have it by default in everything. Here, let's just do this really quickly, right? Fuck, it says fuck, no. Wait. Okay. I was like, I don't have C#. There we go. Have it by default in Node? Oh, you mean like async stuff? I mean, I think it's all. I think JavaScript as a language is asynchronous, right? I don't even think you can multi-thread. Like, or I mean, you can, but that actually just makes it asynchronous, right? Or maybe at least just for Node. Oh, Godot node. Oh, wait. I guess that makes sense. That this has no, because it has HTTP requests, right? The multiplayer. that's fucking crazy, dude. Okay, wait, so hold on. I gotta remember myself. What is the API? What is this one again? This is this one. Okay, sure. This creates a client. This creates a server. New eNet multiplayer peer. What is eNet? Okay, hold on. eNet. What is eNet? Is it communication layer on top of UDP? But what if I don't want that, bro? I mean, for now, I mean, I don't really care if we get nothing done today. I'm just more just like, you know, checking it out. I mean, I guess getting a thing to sync across would be cool, and I can see some cool stuff. And then I'm probably, if that takes not too long, then I'll probably start building up some network diagnostic stuff. And then, I mean, that's gonna take a while. That's not gonna be fast for sure. So I'm probably gonna do that for today. It's just weird that there's no... I mean, I guess maybe eNet is the default one. Can't go, I wanted to handle this for me, and then don't accept its solution. I can! Just because I want it to doesn't mean I can't do it. I just would love for it to do it. You know what I mean? Okay, yeah. I can get the unique ID. I can check if I'm the server or client. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to use webs. I mean, eNet is UDP, and that's probably what I'm going to use. I mean, well, again, what's weird though is that this multiplayer. I mean, the multiplayer peer is like more what I want. I guess I make that though. I mean, so multiplayer peer versus multiplayer API. What? This is allowing the ability to send RPC and stuff over. Wait. Why is it all RPC? Where's like, wasn't there something in here that like packet peer? This is the one. No, not the one. Shit. One of these has the ability to just send TCP UDP. Don't remember which one though. Okay, yeah, fine. So I have to annotate RPC. Oh, what? Okay, that's weird. That is really weird. Okay. Oh, okay, interesting. So, well, I didn't realize what it meant by everything's an RPC is that actually I'm just calling code essentially on every other client. Okay, I see now what that means, but I can't do that, I think. Because that would be too many RPCs, and RPCs have a lot of overhead because it has to send over the code, right? Which is bad. So I probably don't want to do that. That seems like a bad idea. Which means, okay, well, okay. So I think the current plan, just looking at this so far, is that I'm probably, I mean, I'll use RPCs a little bit, but I think the majority of the time I'm going to be using this guy, the multiplayer peer, and just sending stuff through it in the multiplayer API, I think. Okay, I don't love how this looks in C#. I gotta tell you, it looks kind of like Omega Giga ass, but, you know, it's okay. So only the multiplayer authority can call remote. Okay, so this is what do you call? This is server only, and then this is okay, sure. So like this is for user input. I guess that's okay. That's interesting. I never thought of doing networking this way. It's kind of interesting because I guess technically, right? Like making my game multiplayer is easy because I just make everything an RPC, right? Like, or I should say, coming from like making any game multiplayer, I guess you could just do that, which is kind of interesting. But I mean, I wish that I need to know how much, like how big an RPC is, right? Like how giant is this thing? Is this like if I send one of these every frame, how bad is that, right? If I send 60 of these every frame, how bad is that, right? So we'll probably have to do some testing on that. The sync called remote. This function will not be called on the local peer. Oh, okay, yeah, right. Yeah, this is for headless or server client where the server is like this is like a Minecraft server, right? And then this is if I'm both, if I'm in hosting mode. Never personally run into bottlenecks with them. Yeah, but I'm doing... Oh, I mean, okay. Okay, there's two ways to go about also what I want to do here, right? There is one way of... Okay, basically, it's how badly do I actually want to finish this game and get it out. If I want to finish it, then I should do it the lazy way. But if I want to make a resume piece and probably not finish it, then I should do it the cool way. And I'm leaning more towards that way, because that's, you know... probably more important, huh? Maybe, just a little bit. Also, I gotta go pee again, dude. Fuck, I drank too much water. I'll be back. Ugh. Also in the cool way. Yeah, the cool way, dude. The cool way. I just think that I mean, I've never had like I guess the chance to like really dive in and do some like super deep networking stuff. Like it's a lot of like, you know, much higher level like, you know, database calls and stuff, which I think are also interesting and making, you know, distributed system work is also very hard, but most of the hard work was already done for me. You know what I mean? Most of the hard work was done. So like, you know. Okay, interesting. So I would love to know if I can get, so unreliable, to have a packet be unreliable, no, this is the one. Unreliable order. Okay, yeah. Because I was gonna say, if you ever want to do multiplayer movement, you always use, I mean, basically this. You have a sequence number in your packets, and then whatever, like, so for position, send the position every frame, and then whatever position that you get, if it's the most recent one, you just skip that one. You skip to that one, and then you skip anyone that's before that. Okay, cool. So this, okay, so what does this do? This can be used to get the unique ID of an RPC sender. So this is any peer, call local, reliable, send it so that the server knows who sent the input, process the, oh, okay, that's also kind of cool. Okay, that's really interesting. It's very interesting that you can do it this way. Okay, we definitely need to do some testing to see if this is fast and good. Because if this is fast and good, that's pretty swag. Because normally what I do, you know, like so my packet header for every game I've ever made has basically always been the same. And it's always been sequence number, client ID, type. So like it could be like 200 like 12 and then like gun, right? And then this would be when you load this in, you would see the sequence number, which doesn't matter for this, the client ID, and then this is the gun shooting packet, so then I shoot the gun, right? And if I don't have to do that, I mean, okay, the question is that worse or is this worse? I'm sure this is worse, but if it's only slightly worse, this is way better. This is like crazy superior better, right? So okay, nice. So we do have the ability to have a TCP channel and a UDP channel. Nice. Okay, cool. Yeah, this is really, really nice. Okay. Channels are also useful when used with the reliable or unreliable order transfer mode. Sending packets of variable size with this transfer mode can cause packet loss, since packets which are slower to arrive are ignored. Right. Okay. Yeah. That makes sense, I guess. Separating them into multiple streams of homogeneous packets by using channels allowed ordered transfer with little packet loss and the latency penalty caused by reliable mode. Interesting. So another thing, by the way, is, I mean, it's not too bad. Like, I read your message earlier and I just didn't say anything. Where if it skips a frame, it's bad. But if you just interpolate, it's fine. Like if you have the sequence, that's one good thing about being update synced, right? If you have the same update, and I know that I'm on update X and they're on update Y, then I know the difference between those two, and I have the amount to interpolate over, right? Which is really it's really nice. Or you just add either one. You know, you just add however much velocity they have, right? And it's the same thing. Okay, right. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is cool, but what's interesting is that it didn't have any on this thing. what is this? Yeah, that's what I mean by add. Yeah. Like you just add whatever player movement they're on. But then that comes with other problems where if they hold up and D on one frame and it gets skipped, then you could be unsynced, which is why I always just send position. Like, I used to be on board with sending inputs, but nowadays, I don't know, I just send position, dude, you know what I mean? Simulating movement on client side is not that much possible due to the clock syncing. I mean, that's why I'm just like, I just set position right and it's chill. It's chill. If I just set the position and rotation, it doesn't matter that much, dude. Let's see. So I do need to know what that is. So multiplayer, spawner, Godot. What are you? Automatically replicate spawnable nodes from this authority to other multiplayer peers. I guess it's just kind of weird that this is its own thing. I guess it makes sense, like it's useful, but it is weird that it's like just totally detached from like the whole rest of the system, right? If you're predicting the future, you do it from the latest. Oh yeah, yeah. Actually, I think it's called Dead Reckoning. That's like the networking term. Pretty sure. I mean, I guess I'm sure there's more. There's multiple names for it, but Dead Reckoning is that's what at least what they called it in school. Which I don't know why, because that's, I mean, okay, it's, I will say, swag name. Dead Reckoning? That's like a fucking ult, dude, right? Like, that sounds like an ult in a game. Here, I mean, am I smoking weed? Now look, it's a movie. Ah, yeah, here, look. It's the process of calculating the current position of a moving object by using a previously determined position or fix and incorporating estimates of speed. Look at that. I guess it's not even a game thing. It's just a, it's a thing for like mapping and like using the boat, I guess. Yeah, right? Fucking, oh, he comes with a Dead Reckoning. Oh, pentakill. It sounds crazy. Okay, so what? I just why? Okay, what's weird to me is that they don't talk about this in here at all, right? Like, why is it not here? It's just not here. What is the other thing called? Other node is multiplayer synchronizer. I mean, okay, so I'm assuming that this is probably just here to make things slightly easier so you don't have to RPC everything, but like I said, isn't it weird that they don't talk about it in this doc? I feel like they should, right? Multiplayer synchronizer. Synchronizes properties from the multiplayer authority to the remote peers. It uses multiplayer API object configuration add to notify synchronization start passing the node at root path as the object in itself as the configuration, and uses, what the fuck? That is weird, dude. This is fucking weird. It's super weird. Okay, I mean, maybe this is useful. I mean, this seems like a pretty useful tool, but I just like, I don't fucking know, dude. It's kind of weird. I mean, again, I feel like if RPCs are good, why not just use that, right? Yeah, maybe. Maybe this is actually look at something, but I don't know. We'll look at it later, right? I mean, we don't need this for sure for now, so. Multiplayer spawner. So I assume that the reason why this didn't work is because I have to spawn it in. But I guess I would rather. I mean, I don't want to set up a whole lobby system and thing, right? Like now, if I'm gonna do that on my actual project anyway, so I guess I should just do it there. I guess. I don't fucking know, dude. I guess I should just do it there, and I now have this new project for no fucking reason. Cause yeah, I don't really see a reason to build stuff in this. Okay. I assumed that this and the synchronizer was like, I thought that's what that was for. I thought this is what they gave you. Because technically, you know, if you think about it, spawning a thing and then synchronizing the thing is pretty much all you have to do to make a game multiplayer, right? Those are realistically the two things you gotta do, right? So I thought this is all it gave you, but like, I mean, at least connecting two games and syncing two players or something. I don't know. I don't think it should be that hard. I mean, I've done it before, right? Like it's not like I've never done this before in my life. And also, like, I would be just doing that in my other client, like, project anyways. Like, I'm basically gonna be doing the same thing. Like, I'm not gonna be doing anything crazy, just getting two guys to connect to each other, but just in my other project, so I don't have to like copy paste the code, right? That's more what it is. Like, I'm obviously not gonna get, you know, the rest of it there now. So let's just don't save. Another experiment is save sandbox first. Nah, I'm a professional networker. If I can't do it in the real game, I might as well die. Also, speaking of which, I haven't opened this project in so long. What is happening, dude? I have a list of stuff, right? Goals today, playtest and fix the splitter, and then turrets, finish inventory, debug cheats. Okay, yeah. Yeah, whatever. It's chill. We don't need any of that, okay? Yeah, okay. Let's just like... Okay, hold on. Let me get the docs open. My other monitor. Okay, so what do we need first again? We have the thing. We need to make an eNet multiplayer peer. What if I just make a multiplayer peer? Is there a difference between the two? eNet multiplayer peer and just multiplayer peer? No, it's not supposed to be made. Okay, I just don't know what eNet. Okay, I need to. Okay, actually, before we do anything, I really need to know what eNet is, because I just don't know. Like, is it bigger than? Okay, let's just see. Hold on. Let's see. Is it a wrapper? Is it a library? Does it make stuff? Racknet is superior in many ways. Oculus? It's also made by Allykins. Giga Chat username, dude. Swig tutorial. This is 8 years ago. L. Why is C++ built on top of libcurl? Okay, let's maybe look at the website. Looks so bad. How are you gonna write a networking like fucking protocol and then not have your website be secure, bro? What do you mean? What do you mean? What is that, dude? Okay. eNet client, managing eNet host. Waits for an event. Okay, it seems like this is just a wrapper around. Like it's a library to send UDP. I'm just confused because it says on top of UDP, which kind of I thought that maybe it means like built on top of UDP, like they added more stuff. I mean, I guess they did a little bit, but you know what I mean, right? Like it's not like UDP 2. it's UDP made less cringe because you don't have to do IP adder from Winsock 32, right? I mean, it's what comes up. I guess there's a GitHub. We can look at this ZPL. Okay. Yeah, alright, whatever. It's chill. Look, Enet is fine, and I guess we just use that because it's UDP, and that's what I like, you know? I like UDP. UDP makes me feel happy. So, okay. I guess this is in my scene, and I guess... I mean, okay. I'm gonna approach this. I always do this in any game I make, multiplayer. I always do server client, and I almost always do the server is also a player. I just think it's easier that way. Like if you're not going for a PvP game, it's kind of unnecessary, I think. And I'm not. I mean, I am gonna have PvP in my game, but it's not like okay, you know, PvP in a fighting game or a shooter where frames matter versus like a half shoot in PvP mode that I put in because it's funny. I don't really need that, right? Right. I'm kind of chill, so. Godot's HLM is kind of built around that. Yeah, I see that. So I think that's the plan, and then I'm probably gonna just make it so that every time. Oh, actually, technically. Oh, oh, okay. Okay, here's a real question that I didn't think about. When I transfer scenes, my multiplayer gets DC'd, right? Like, I have this area, and I want them to both, like... I guess, like, this should be like a lobby area, right? Where you join, and you can see your friend. And then you... and when the friend starts it... No? Because doesn't it say it's tied... It's tied to the scene tree, right? Is the scene tree always... Does it not change when you change, what do you call scenes? Maybe it doesn't, I don't know. I mean, I guess we can just do a quick test, so. Also, I gotta go pee again. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that insane? Dude, my pre-rolls aren't even off yet. I'll be back. Give me a second, gamers. I'm sorry, okay. I'm evil. What do you want? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, look, it's already almost gone, okay? I do drink a lot. Yeah, I stay hydrated. I'm too hydrated, dude. Hello, Joe Handy. You fuck. CG object is essentially a manager from the actual node tree. Okay, okay. Alright, so we're good if I could connect here. I mean, that's good. So, I guess I want to make... I guess I just make a thing here. Like just a node here. And then we just call this like... like lobby setup? I don't fucking know, dude. This is like, it's like, I'm not lost. It's more just like, what do I name? How do I set this stuff up in not a cringe way? You know what I mean? Well, okay, I guess I'll just attach a script. Lobby setup.cs. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. I think it's opening Visual Studio. Yeah. So, multiplayer. So what can I do here? I can call, this is just a normal stuff. Connect to the server. Okay, connection failed. I can disconnect. I can get peers. I get the multiplayer peer from here. Hold on, let me just. Oh right, yeah, I have it in here. Yeah. This peer, the peer object to handle the RPC system. Wait, okay. But then... Okay, another annoying thing is that I have to make like a host button now, which I forgot about that. That's a little annoying. I have to have like a host button so that you can click it on one of the clients and it'll actually, you know, start the server, because I don't have that right now. Right now, if I open both games and I have them both create a server, it's just gonna create a server, right? So, let's see. Actually, that's another question. Does Godot have good network testing stuff, or do I just have to? I mean, I'm used to clicking 2 EXEs, you know, don't get me wrong, but is there a way to like make it so that I open 2 at once, per chance? Like, I've spent hundreds of hours, you know, just double clicking an EXE twice. Don't get me wrong. And I'm not afraid to go back to those days, but if there's a way to do it another like better way, that would be cool. So I don't just have to have an EXE always ready to fucking, you know, load up, right? They re-added, or they added multi-running? Okay, let's see. Multi-running Godot. Multi-run for Godot 4, it's an asset library. Okay, sure, whatever. Oh, I can configure them? Oh, wait. Oh, if they auto-join, that would be really nice. Look in the menus in the top left corner. Project settings. Let's just look for multi-run. Run? Oh, hey, look, main loop type. Look at that, there we go. Not the PGA settings. I'm on Godot 4.2, by the way. So if it was added in 4.3, oh, run multiple instances. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Okay, nice. Thank you. So now if I just press F5, actually, oh, first we need to make it so that this reruns not from main. This needs to run from start area now. Okay. Now if I just press F5, I should get 2. Very nice, okay. Although, it's not working so good. I'll tell you that. What happened? What happened? What? Wait. It died? Oh, okay, hold on. I just gotta do... Well, why did my... Okay, whatever. Here, let's just fix this first. Okay. Try again. Why don't I... Where's the camera? Oh. I guess it's just killing everything because this is in the ready function. It's probably not calling fucking anything. What's up, Cabby? Welcome back, by the way. Why is it dying? It's because the Nexus doesn't exist and I'm evil and I'm fucking trying to find this shit because I'm evil, probably. Where are you? Do I not? What the fuck, dude? Oh, no, bro. Oh no, dude. Game UI. Okay. This is UI preview. What the fuck? Game UI. Okay. Nexus UI. Here. Okay. We gotta do like a... I need to know if this exists or not. Cause this errors out. Node not found. Okay, here we can just... I guess I could just do this. Equals get node Nexus UI and then... Well, you were here at the beginning though. Also, I can't stream for too long today. I know it's like the first fucking end stream in 10 million years, okay? But I swear it'll be more consistent, okay? I just have to go at like, I think like somewhere between 5:30 and 6 probably. I think there's is there try get note? No. There definitely is a get note or another. Okay, yeah, that's it. Actually, I could just do this, right? Get node or null this and it's chill. If this is null, it's fine. If you call this a job, I'm boned, dude. Also, it still didn't. Where's my camera? Do I not have a camera in here? Wait, do I not? Oh, wait. Oh, bruh. Okay, well, I can't. Hey, figured it out, huh? Okay, why? Is this still the GD? That's crazy. It's crazy that this is still the GDS version, dude. Joe Handy shall be ignored. Fuck you. Joe Handy's getting dono walled until he donates $1 million because he's so handy. Yeah, okay, so I just add a camera 2D. I do the same thing because I'm fucking stupid, I guess. I don't know why this isn't part of the thing. I forget why. There was probably a reason, but it's chill, you know. And I need to. Which script are you? This is player scripts, player camera.gd. Scripts, player scripts. Oh. There we go. That's crazy, dude. Okay, so now I click F5 and surely for real now? Yeah, okay, there we go. Much better. And if I touch this, okay, cool. Everything's working. Look, we did it. Okay, so now what I need to do is I gotta set up some stuff in the start area. Joe Handy has all the money, he shall not give it to the unemployed. But you just said I got a job, so therefore I'm not unemployed, and therefore I get all the money. No? Seems pretty logical to me, brother. Oh, God, okay. So, lobby setup. Where is my shit? Here it is. Okay, so Let's just think. Let's just think. Well, okay, someone, Cappy in chat, who you agreed was the ultimate chatter, has said it. Therefore, it has to be true. I don't want to make UI or anything to make it so that I can actually host my game. I just, like, honestly, like, what if I just put, like, a button press? That makes me the host and not the host. I think that sounds way better than having to make UI or some shit, dude. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab this code. This is the, okay. This, I guess I shouldn't put it in here. That seems like a good idea. And then obviously the port will be the Minecraft port. Obviously, everyone knows to make it the Minecraft port. I think 25565 gotta be. I mean, other than like, you know, 9 and 21, the big ones, it's gotta be the most port forwarded port ever, right? It's gotta be, dude. It's gotta be. For each child, get children. Wait, man, you don't think I have grandchildren? Maybe because you got no hoes doesn't mean me. How dare you hog the point? I get from a LAN party. Can I get a VIP? There's a casino that you can ask for the VIP. Although I'm not gonna do it right now because I can't shoot for that much longer. I want to get some stuff done today. I swear you won't get scammed. Maybe one day. And then I guess I'll just do like 1. I guess we can do like, how many players do I want in my game? I guess I could just do 4. I mean, it doesn't matter, right? Technically, you could have 9 million, and it's the same thing, huh? 64640. No, but what if I just use the Minecraft one where and then I steal everyone's, huh? Okay, so then we just need to do like if input. Oh fuck! How do I do input this fucking shit again, dude? I have it somewhere. Here, actually, let's look at the camera. Aha, here. Okay, input with input event. Yeah. Okay. Public override void input. There we go. Ow. Why do they do this, dude? It's so evil. Just call it something else, you fuck. Don't put an @ Don't make me hit shift and 2. Are you joking? Yes, right. That's right. No one here is gonna play Minecraft with me. L. It is my house. You don't only join my Minecraft world. And when you try to join my, you know what's interesting? Like, I remember when I always used to, like, I just use it because it's already port forwarded and I can test my game at home, right? I've had someone try to connect to my game, like my custom game with Minecraft, and it like freaks out, dude. It's crazy. It's crazy how much shit they're sending in that connect pack. Yeah, it was me. No, it was me. This Omi guy, he doesn't even know my IP. And you can't even my friend if you don't know my IP, dude. Guys, should I click that what's my IP link on the Godot docs? I think that'd be really cool. So if input event or input is action fuck, dude. Is, how does this work? Key is pressed. You know what? Fuck this, dude. Let's just do this and then find where I've done it before, yeah? Here. There we go. Alright. Just yoink this shit, huh? Okay, and then we can get rid of all this. And then we put a bool is existing. And then is existing is true. And then in here, if is existing, then we return. Alright, there we go. Wait, let me still have his mod? I didn't say I was gonna mod on last stream. I said I was. Well, like Omi goes through a wave of being modded, and then like I remember, and then I'm like, I guess I should unmod him. I should remod him. I send you a cool link to a fun website. Definitely not to what's the IP address, dude. Wait, really? That's like wow, that's really awesome, dude. Let me put these into functions. So void create server, and then void connect to server. I have links enabled in my chat, so against better judgment, you know, like Twitch. Every day, every time I stream, Twitch is like fucking screaming at me to turn on auto mod because I got auto mod off. I got shield mode like disabled entirely. I got as if you just made your account, no phone number, no nothing, you can chat my stream. I guess I should also just grab, where's the same code here? Creates a client. I assume create client, this call also creates it, but like connect to it, right? I'm gonna assume at least. And then I can, so can I do this? I assume I need the real one, right? Well, I don't know about YouTube. I'm talking about Twitch. YouTube chat, I haven't looked at it all. YouTube chat, I just like, it exists and it works, and I haven't touched it since. I still don't know how to ban people. Like, I don't fucking know, dude. YouTube chat is just like the Wild Wild West, dude. It's just there and it's going. Did you watch the VOD and write out the entire fucking link, Cappy? Anyways, hold on. I gotta get my hold on. I don't know if IP config actually gets anything bad, but just in case it does. Oh yeah, it gives my gateway. Well, wait. It's a 4? Bro, my IPv4 is 192.168.4. What is that? It's never 4. 4. What the fuck, dude? That's evil. Fine, I will click my own YouTube link. What? Oh my god, no way, dude. It's totally my own YouTube link. No way, dude. Yeah, look. Well, I don't know how bad it is to show IP config. I don't know, because they should all be local, but I don't know, right? Look at this. It's 4. 4.28. That's me. What is that? Okay, so we're gonna do here. We'll do H for host and C for client. Okay, and then we just call create server. And then we call create, what do you call? Oh, I guess I could just do it on my own computer. That's right. Yeah, I could do localhost. But hey, what if I totally am gonna do something different? You know? Did I not call it create client? I'll connect. I'll fuck create client there. Sending the army to my door. Actually, they literally couldn't be, because I don't have a door. You think about that, dude? Did I open the video link? Yeah, I totally can't hover over it in my OBS chat and then hover over it and see that it's totally my old video. But you know, actually, I don't want to dox my old self. You know what I mean? I remember it, okay? What if I want to log in with my laptop and connect to myself, which I'm totally gonna do. Okay, sure. So And now, actually, if I press F5 in here, does it run 2 also? Probably not, right? Cringe alert, dude. I gotta run it through Godot now? Ugh, yuck, dude. Wait. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, so if I press H, okay, well, it did something. So now if I press C, I mean, obviously nothing happened because, you know, I don't have anything to do, but I assume it's connected. I'm gonna assume that's what happened. Also, I gotta go pee again. It's, you know, if the more water I drink, the less pre-rolls ads I have on. So, you know what? It's a W. Oh, okay. Okie doke. So, yeah. So I want to use the connected signal to, I guess, spawn each player in, right? Vibe code. Dude, I fucking hate vibe coding, dude. I mean, okay, to be fair, that's kind of what I do, but when it's based when a human does it, dude. When I'm just like fucking slapping some shit together and it's garbage, that's awesome. Yeah, guys, professional vibe coder here. Oh god, bro. Like, again, to be fair, I do think that vibe coding is good. But you can't call it that. It's just called building a prototype with AI. Doesn't mean fucking anything else, dude. I mean, I don't entirely know what it is either, but I'm pretty sure it's just you fucking slap some dog shit AI code together, and then, you know, it's called vibe coding because you just go with the vibe, you know? None of this smart thinking bullshit. Ew, yucky, gross. Just like Claude, make me huge penis, and it works, dude. And if you vibe with it, then it's chill, bro. Okay, so what is the connection thingy called? Multiplayer peer. This has peer connected, and then okay, so this is connecting to me though, right? There's remote peer. multiplayer API has connected to server, and then you're connected. Okay, yeah, cool. Vibe codes when they accidentally leaked the API key. Well, it wasn't leaked. That guy just had him in plain text on his fucking server because he's crazy. I mean, that's what happened to you, Vibe code, I guess, you know? The ending of the URL for my iPhone vid is R34. There's no fucking way. Is it actually? Hold on. Hold on. This is important. This is important knowledge that I'm gleaning. Oldest video ever. Shareable link. It's not. You lied. You lied. What the fuck? You just get my hopes up for nothing? Anyways, we're connected to server. I gotta connect my shit. Except it's annoying because I'm in C# and I can't just like do it. Okay, so I need this is too much shit. No. I think the problem with vibe coding thing is that the majority of people that are trying it don't know what the hell they're doing. I mean, yeah, I think if you're using AI to program, I kind of think you don't know what the hell you're doing. Like, I understand that some people use it and they say it makes them faster, but I don't know. I mean, I haven't used the newer ones. I only use like what, GPT-3, I think, and it kind of sucked ass. Like, I remember just like okay, it's really good at writing one-off scripts, but I'm almost never writing one-off scripts, right? I mean, I guess in my job, I mean, even then, not really. Like, especially like a lot of like a lot of stuff I was doing was like UI, right? And there's no way to have ChatGPT make a good UI design for me, right? Like, right? It's just not a thing. So I could have just using AI for their work. Kinda. I mean, again, like, I mean, okay, the idea behind vibe coding, which is essentially like the idea is that you use AI to build a very, very quick prototype, like lightning fast, and it's dog shit and it barely works, right? And that's fine. I think that's a great idea, actually. Like, if you have an idea as a programmer and you're like, I want to build this to see if it works, and you like you genuinely have no idea if it'll even like be cool, then you vibe code it. And by that I mean you just say, hey, make the thing for me. Yeah, it's a privated video. You fuck. Bro, you're trying to scam the system. Give it a partner and you'll get your shit, bro. Think I have it unlisted? What am I, stupid? No. I'm fucking killing you. Oh, maybe part 2. I'm not clicking it. Fuck you. Anyways. So, this event handler. I want to look at what this does. Player connected event handler. I just want to see what they do. So they have peer connected, disconnected. Okay, on player connected. This is the one. RPC ID, method name, register player. Then new player ID, blah blah. Okay, sure. Yeah, all right. Oh, it was part 2. I'm checking my own. I'm not clicking no link. Part 2. Copy, get shareable link. Oh, it is R34. That's crazy. Okay, not scammed. Okay. So registered player. I mean, okay, right. I need. First thing I need like just a second player because I don't have that, right? I don't have a second player currently, and I need a way to do that. So we need to add like somewhere. Well, okay. Hold on. Let me think. So the biggest problem that I have a lot of the time when I'm running like games like this, right, is that I have a huge monolithic file that handles all the multiplayer stuff, and I don't like that. I mean, technically you can get around it by just you know, moving the what do you call? You can move the functions to different folder, like to different files, but it's not like great. Like it's not actually compartmentalized at all, right? Okay, if you don't actually know, VIP is only achievable through gambling your channel points away. Just for the record, which is why I said, like, if like channel points have value. Okay, we can't destroy the economy. All right, no tariffs in this motherfucker. I should tariff my channel points. If you want to get VIP, you have to not only give me use the channel points, but you also have to pay VIP or channel point tax, dude. Yeah, I guess that's true. I mean, yeah, I guess that's true actually. Okay, here, let's just start with this, right? So we need to have a private void on player connected, which is pretty normal, right? I need a long ID. And then I need an RPC multiplayer API RPC mode any peer a method to be callable remotely by any peer. Yeah, okay. Wait. Yeah, that's probably good. And transfer mode equals transfer mode enum dot rely. Okay, this is kind of omega cringe. This is mega cringe. Okay. And fuck. And then like that. Yeah, you know what? Fuck this shit, dude. Okay. And then now I do private void register player and oh, I see. Okay, never mind. I see. This is for them joining me. Right, okay. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Hold. If I somehow watch the video by biohacking a link, do I get any prize? Yeah, it's watching the video. What do you mean? It's not prize enough for you? Okay. I'm seeing the future. I'm just trying to wrap my head around the RPC thing. The RPC thing is actually like really weird. Honestly, it's really weird. So, okay. Let's set up something first in here. I'm gonna set it up in here. I'm probably gonna try to move things around later, but for now, I'm just gonna have a dictionary of long to sprite 2D, I guess. And this is just gonna be clients, okay. All right, no. This is players. Cause okay. So once again, I don't have to care about cheating, right? If you want to cheat in my game, it's a fucking co-op game. Or I mean, there's no ranked play, right? It doesn't matter. Like I'm not building a ranked ladder, right? Like I guess someone could make a ranked Discord with like Start GG or whatever the fuck they are, with whatever they use now, right? You could, but if you're cheating there, you know, you just report them and it's fine. Like my game is not gonna become a multiplayer fucking 1v1 simulator game that's huge, so I don't have to care, which is why we can just cheat stuff, right? So then on player connected. Read about high-level multiplayer node owners in here? Or just in general, you mean? Maybe I just missed it, but... So this is the player info with the key IDs. Yeah, I mean, this is basically what okay, it's a little longer, but... It's basically what I have, right? And then they just have player info, which we don't need right now, obviously. And I'll probably build a player class eventually, which has, you know, the default stuff. Okay, hold on. Godot high level multiplayer node owners. Hello, AI. Are you gonna help me? Determines which peer controls a node's state and can sync it to other game instances. Node owners dictate who has ownership over what node. Well, I mean, why do I need that, I guess? Why do I want this? Multiplayer makes you want to quit Godot? Try these simple tips. What's up, dog, man? I'm gonna bet on you if your PC is fixed. What do you mean? What happened, bro? Did it die? Did you brick your computer? Peer clients are mean. No, yeah, okay, whatever. I have this. So each client can have control of their own sprite. Oh, well, no. I see what you mean, but I'm just not gonna do it that way. Like I'm just gonna generate a sprite on each guy, right? My drivers have been ruined for like 4 months. It crashes every 1 minute to 4 hours. That seems bad. What drivers? What happened? Oh yeah, so is that not what I'm doing here? Like I'm just gonna on player connected, or I guess, hold on. This is the RPC thingy. So, okay. No, hold on. I'm gonna do it so that right now it's gonna only be one-way multiplayer, just to make sure that I know what I'm doing, okay? So I'm gonna just do players, ID equals new sprite 2D, and then I guess like bro, chill the fuck out, dude. I'm just saying, if your computer has been dying for 4 months, I feel like, you know, especially if you're programming, if it just crashes randomly, that's a pretty big you know, problem. How do I, is it set texture? Texture, okay, texture. Nope, texture. In safe mode? That's crazy, dude. I don't think I've ever run my computer in safe mode, literally ever. I remember my dad used to want me to when my PC would crash, and I was like, fuck that, dude. And I never have. I mean, my dad also would do the thing when you like, you know, and like down here, you can right click to remove the like eject your monitor, or not monitor. What the fuck am I saying? Holy shit, I'm dying. USB drive. I never did that shit either. I just pulled that shit out. Running in safe mode, it doesn't load whatever driver crashes it. That to me sounds less like safe mode is helping you and more like you have a startup program that's crashing your computer. Are you sure it's a, I mean, how do you know it's a driver, I guess? Because, I mean, it shouldn't change anything, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Running safe mode is a meme, no? How do I load fucking textures, dude? Am I fucking stupid? It's been too long since I looked at this game, dude. I don't know, how does Godot work? Where do I load textures in? I know I do it somewhere. I'm sure I do it somewhere. I'm getting driver errors and logs consistently since the crashing started. I mean, okay, yeah, I mean, that does sound indeed like driver errors. It doesn't tell you which one. It just says random. I gotta have texture stuff in here, right? Actually, what am I doing? Let me just look for load and then texture. Yeah, okay, here. This guy. Resource loader. Resource loader. Haven't got any of the audio errors. Were they audio drivers? Bro, if your PC is dying to audio drivers, that's like legit depressing. That is so sad. Okay, so instead of this now, I'm just gonna copy it. Where's my dude? Where's the happy.png? Is it in here? Or is it in art? Art. Happy.png. I think it is /was power drivers. Like for your PSU? I didn't even know those had drivers. I mean, I guess it makes sense. I don't know. I never built a PC, so I don't know. Okay, let's just run this and see if this this should create a guide. Oh no, I didn't click the signal. I forgot. Okay, hold on. Let me click the signal, and then I think it should generate something. So I just gotta copy this guy. I have to in on ready player connected event handler, or is it just this plus equals on player connected? I think that no. Oh, okay, why is it long? Int, fuck you. No long. Long is like my ass, dude. That's 0. Professional network developer. That's right, brother. Oh my god, you said it. That's actually no. Actually, if Amazon was delivering like UDP packages, that would be really bad. That would mean that you don't get your packet like randomly, and it's also in like the wrong order, and it's shit. Fits with Amazon? I don't know. Amazon for me is normally pretty good, actually. You know. TCPs for FedEx. I've had way more TCP or FedEx bad deliveries than I have with what do you call? Okay, so if I press H and then I press C, nothing happens. Okay. Cool. All right, let's just you know, for the sake of the argument, do this, and then I have to run another one in here, and then I have to close one. Okay. All right. There we go. So this guy, nope, this guy. H, C. Okay. Didn't work at all. Fucking swag, dude. All right. Let's see. Am I existing or nah? All right. Okay, am I existing? Is existing. Okay, I am existing. Okay. So I guess we reset. Okay, it's just alright. Create server. So it made it. It's okay. And I have that. Okay. Let me double check. Maybe I have to add it to the peer, not the main thing. Multiplayer, yeah, here, okay, there we go. So it's actually multiplayer dot peer connected. And then now this has to be long, not int. Or wait, what is this for? I don't fuck. Okay, hold on. Let's just do this first, okay? Okay, W man, I gotta be real with you. I feel like I think using my YouTube chat as the tech support is a bad idea. You should just go Google it, brother. You're gonna have not only probably a better time there, but also, you know, it'll actually help you. Because if you leave YouTube chat because you're fixing your PC, it's gone, right? Well, no. I'm talking about, brother. Okay, first I need you to chill out. Okay. Second of all, if you need to reinstall your Windows, just Google how to reset your Windows. Okay, so now we need to pause. Okay, we have a pause in there. If I press Okay, I need to restart this one also. I wish that it would. Oh, oh, bro. Okay, so now actually let me run this here, and then I think I just do this. You know how long I've spent doing this kind of thing in my life, chat? I've spent fucking years doing this shit, dude. Okay, so move left, move right. H, C. Okay, so did I get a guy now? No. Oh, right. I need to, I guess I can just add this as a child, right? It's fine if it's just in here. Alright, hold on. Actually, you know what first we need to do? Is we need to... Here. I'm gonna move this into here. And then I'm gonna... If key event is... Copy this. And then we do... Let's do, like, key dot... J, because it's there. I just need I need a key to... I'm gonna make a disconnect key, right? So... Now we want to... If is existing... we want to... Or if is not existing, I mean. If is not existing... Oops. Then we return. Gotta go to bed. Okay, no worries. I mean, I think we can figure it out. Like I said, I mean, I'm like fumbling, but you know, we'll get there one day. It's not too hard, is all I'm trying to say. To get, like, networking is hard, but it's also not that hard. You know what I mean? So let me set this to false, and then where is their disconnect stuff? They have peer disconnected. I don't really care about that actually. No, it's fine. I just want to make it so that I can disconnect from the server, so I don't have to, you know, redo over and over again. Peer disconnected, on player disconnected. I emit the signal and I remove those players. Okay, sure. But how do I? Where's the code to disconnect? Player disconnect event handler. Let's try to find this. That's here. Okay. I'm going to pee again. I'll be back. Well, okay, look, I mean, that's true, but also, I don't know if I might have found the tutorial maybe, but multi-run probably not. I'll be back in a sec. I gotta go pee. Ugh. Louisville when he's gone, nothing ever happened. What? Huh? I mean, I guess it would. Wouldn't it be bad if things happened when I was gone? That means I'm fucking haunted. No, that'd be horrible, dude. Also, I think I'm gonna get this working and then I'm gonna end stream. Like, I know it's a short stream, okay? I know, okay? But I don't have to go yet, but I just want to prepare. I gotta go help my mom because she's doing some stuff and it's gonna be like hard labor. You know me and hard labor. Yeah, fucking so ripped, dude. Yeah, that's what everyone watches the stream for, right? Let me look at multiplayer peer. This is not, no, close. Okay. So if I call multiplayer peer close? Is that chill? We'll see, you know? Okay. Yeah, that's right. That's what I mean, honestly, to be fair, nowadays, ripped programmers, tech bro is kind of like, you know, not super uncommon. I mean, fucking guys are like, oh yeah, I love fucking rock climbing, bro. Like, honestly, I think I would actually genuinely really like rock climbing, but like, then I have to be one of those guys, which is like cringe, right? Hey, it worked! It worked on here too. Wait, why did it work on there? Wait. Wait. Does it work both ways? What the scallop? Wait, really? Okay, you know what? I'm not even gonna test it. Let's just get to moving on to multiplayer, like doing stuff, right? Even I find something new to say. Yeah, I do that a lot too. You know, times I'm like, this is the last thing I'm gonna say, and then as I talk about the thing, I'm like, oh damn, I got something more interesting, something more interesting to say. Rob Top? I don't know who Rob Top is. I don't know if I don't know any like literally any. Oh, is this the Geometry Dash guy? He's got 16 million subscribers. Is he ripped? Hold on. I mean, I wouldn't say he looks ripped. Okay, he does look based as fuck though. He's looking based as fuck, dude. Well, I'm only adding it for peer connected, which I kind of assumed that would only be. Oh, it does. This game's so fucking easy, dude. Okay, so then hold on. So RPC, let's try to handle our RPC thing again then, right? So I gotta go read it again. Hold on, just to be fucking, you know, sure that I know what I'm doing. And I will do some testing on how good RPC. So okay, we're gonna reset. Wrong one. Our goals today, okay? We're gonna push them down, okay? Just like these ones, they're getting pushed down. Okay? Goals today are get basic player movement networked, okay? That's the main goal. And then next, I wanna do ping/packet drop like UI, and then ping/packet drop testing or like tools. Okay, these are the next two, and then after that, test RPC MBPS. Okay, this is like what we want to do. Pick the Rob Top gym picture. Rob Top gym picture. This is not the same guy, right? I mean, he looks, I don't know about ripped. He looks like normal. Like, I wouldn't say he's like ripped in my mind is, you know, this guy. Which maybe is, you know, unrealistic for most dudes to get by just going to the gym, but that is the same guy? There's no way, dude. Maybe that's why his game didn't work on my iPhone for fucking like 10 years, huh? Too busy. Yeah, if he looks like that, you're giga ripped, dude. Okay, so RPC is here. Here, yeah, okay. So this calls on other peers. Okay. When you want to do ping slash package drop, what is MITM? Midem? Mute in the mouth. Man in the middle? I don't know what that means. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what the fuck that means. Okay, so I guess... Okay, so I can call or pass things into here, I assume, right? Fine, I'll Google it. Man in the middle. And then I'm gonna get fucking... a guy getting swag attacked. Oh, that's what you mean. No. I like, this is just for me testing. Like, so like if I want to test, because I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna do it through my own computer. That's too much work to actually set this up. Like, I'm just gonna, you know, like, I set myself to 50 ping and I just sleep in the function call. I'm not doing more than that. Look, it doesn't have to actually work. You know what I mean? Like, if I can play with a friend online and it works well enough, I don't give a fuck, dude. Until I'm actually like releasing it, if I do feel like it. Man in the middle proxy? Oh, is that what that does for me? Swiss on there for debugging, testing, privacy management, but it's... does this let me, does this let me lag to myself? Because this to me, it's mostly seemingly through, it's intercepting and doing for pen testing, right? I can? It looks like, this to me looks like a Postman test, which it might be. I don't know. How does it work? I guess I'll look into it. I don't know. Because if I can do it that way, and it actually does work that way, that'd be pretty cool. What am I doing again? Also, if it's hard to set up, then maybe I won't, just because I can do it faster myself, but, you know. Because I've done it myself in the past, like, I just, you know, all you do is in the send packet function, just put a random function, and if it's less than whatever number you want, then that's how you emulate packet drop. Pretty easy, right? You can also do testing for how many packets, like, you can just, you know, wait 5 frames basically of inputs and don't send the packet, and then that's how you can do like X amount of frames dropped in a row. So okay. I need to grab this first. This whole thing is the same shit. I'm gonna use TCP for now because it doesn't matter. Okay. Then private void player move. Okay. And then this needs to take in a, what is position? It's just a vec2, right? Vector2 position. And then I want to do players ID. Oh, and the ID, I guess. Long ID and ID, or players ID position equals position. Okay. Don't have a send packet function when using RPC though. You kind of. I guess I'd have to write a wrapper for myself, which would be annoying. So maybe not. Nah, I think about it. Actually, maybe you right. Maybe you right. You know, maybe you like are like fucking smart or something. I mean, to be fair, I don't really care about testing the Godot stuff, I guess, right? Like writing a thing to see how many Mbps I'm getting, that can be done regardless, is easy. But using Godot, like if the Godot networking just doesn't work, I'm fucked, right? Like, it's mostly for testing my networking stuff, right? That I'm gonna be doing that stuff for, and that is probably gonna have a send function. But if it doesn't, if I end up using RPC for all of it, then maybe. Thanks for confirming. I am indeed pretty smart. You know, I feel like the longer I streamed, the less smart I got. Like, I feel like I used to know all this stuff, and it's like, now I don't know fucking anything. I know how to do barely, like I know only networking. Everything else is gone. Like, if you ask me to do knapsack problem right now, I'm fucked. I'm cooked, dude. You want me to do merge sort? Ooh. Divide and conquer? I like how in the olden, or like, I like the, like nowadays, okay, I've actually switched where in the olden days, when I first graduated from college, I used to love the leet code problems. You know, you get a knapsack, you get a merge sort, you get a explain to me quick sort, fucking rapid fire that shit off. And then when they ask me how many doors are in California, I'm like, what the fuck are you talking about here, man? Or they say, oh, what's your favorite game? And I'm like, I'm in fucking interview mode. I'm not thinking about that, right? It's and I'm like, what the fuck? Nowadays, though, they ask me like some open-ended bullshit question, and I'm like, I'm so cooked, like ready to fire it up, dude. And then they ask me like, yeah, but how does quicksort work? I'm like, dude, you mix you split it, you partition. I got no fucking clue, dude. Also, okay, big question I'm realizing now. So, can I do this from anywhere? Or does it have to be in the same function? Use callable method RPC to call on every peer or RPC ID to call on a specific user. Okay. So, like, for example, right? If I wanted to... I have to do it in the camera. That's horrible. That's horrible. No, I have to do it in the player? Oh, no, dude. Oh, no, I don't. Is it in... Wait. Is it in player itself? Oh, thank the Lord. Okay. Here, let's just do a quick little bool moved. And we do one of these. Damn, is this guy like a fucking genius programmer or what? Oh wait, I have dirt. Okay, hold on. If dir.x not equal to 0 and dir.y is not equal to 0. Oh wait, no. Or okay. These questions are good since people who cannot concentrate after the unexpected cringe question are massive skill issues. I kind of agree, but I hate it. I hate it, dude. Self.rpc will RPC to the same node path on the other client. Well, no. Okay, so it's in a different file though, right? So if I do RPC dot or RPC, is it just the okay method name? Is it here? Oh, do I have everything? Yo, I got everything. That's crazy. Or do I? Hold on. Do I have everything? So I need player move. Does player move exist? Player move. Fuck, dude. So what? I have to move this into here? That how this works? Bruh? Oh, but I don't have access to players. Okay. Okay, yeah. Well, I'm trying to make it so that on move or whenever I move in my game, I send over my position, right? Like that's the easiest way to get it to work, right? But I gotta go soon. I mean, it's not the worst thing. I can just make this like a public dictionary, right? Can only call functions actually marked with RPC for safety reasons. I mean, yeah, that makes. If you didn't, that would be really bad, right? Like it would like die. So if I now do, also now I should be able to do okay, but player move, and then I assume I can pass things into here. Wait. If function is annotated with RPC in the client script, then this function must also be declared on the server script. Both RPCs must have the same signature, which is evaluated with the checksum of all RPCs. All RPCs in script are checked once. All RPCs must be declared on both the client and server scripts, even functions that they currently are not in use. Okay, well I'm doing both, so it's chill. Changes of the RPC includes the RPC declaration, function, return type, and the node path. Okay. Yeah, alright. That's fine, probably. Oh, I don't pass an ID. Right, okay, so I need this. This is the first thing that should always happen in here. And then I don't pass in the ID. And then I use sender ID here. Then I want to do lobby setup.players. It's not static, fuck. I need to move this out to somewhere else. I don't know where I'm going to move it to, but it has to go somewhere else other than in here. Because lobby setup should just be setting up the lobby, right? Oh, okay, player move, method name, player move, and then I just pass in position? Is that how that works? Fucking, we'll see, I guess. Okay. I'm a genius, dude. Oh my god. Networking Godot speedrun. Don't ask why the client is fucking monster sized, but check it off the list, baby. Goals today, boom. Okay, so yeah, I want to. Oh, it looks a little weird. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's missing the last frame, but that's fine. That's not too bad. Yeah, it's just missing. I think it's missing the last frame because I don't actually know why it's missing the last frame. I'm not gonna lie to you, but you know, it's chill. So yeah, the next thing I want to do is for sure okay. So what I want to do is I want to send a RPC call every frame, right, and see how much is happening. Right, like how much data is being sent over the wire? Because I mean, I should be able to do some quick calculations. If it's 60 updates per second, I can check or whatever Mbps I have, and then divide by 60, and that should tell me the exact size of the RPC call. Because I'm assuming this RPC call is gonna be a lot, even for something pretty simple. I'm sure the overhead is a lot, and I'll also try a bigger function. I'll try both. But it also could not be. It could be that it finds this function because it, like, what gives me a little bit more, I guess, like, goodness is that this warning here is good. Yeah, because it needs to be on the client and server and be the same thing always. It's good. No, 60 is what Factorio runs at, right? I think also Dyson Shift Project does. I don't know about what's it called? Satisfactory, but when I get a new room 2 weeks ago, fucking Habitat don't even know. Don't even keep up the Luke's will Lord there. It's like you're banned. Yeah, it's like you didn't even show up to every stream and stay there the whole time. I fucking kill you now. I just moved. Yeah, I also maybe assume that it's hashing, so maybe it's not that bad. I don't know. Like I said, that's why I want to do testing, right? Like, I don't really mind not testing a lot of other stuff in Godot because I just don't. You know what I mean? I just don't. Like, I just don't care. Like, do I need to know how fast the process function call is? No. Like, I mean, I guess I would like to, but if I wanted to do all that, it would take fucking 10 million years. For networking, though, I do want to know, because not only do I want to know because I think it's interesting to me, but I also want to know because that is very important to, you know, like if I can say that my game runs in 5 Mbps, that's a good point, right? So there's two reasons that I actually do care about learning how much an RPC does. But yeah, because the fact that they actually go with, or that they need signature matching, that is a big plus to probably hashing with a checksum, and then that should be pretty fast. Like the function header is actually going to be relatively small. In which case it would actually be better to use RPC than to use just sending shit over, right? Which would be really good. But again, we have to check, and yeah, it's 5:42. I probably have to get going. Let me check traffic. Hold on, because it's also like 5. For those who don't know, fucking LA, dude. It's pretty cringe. Actually, it's not that bad. I mean, it's still 30 minutes. But it's not. I thought it would be way worse. Honestly, I thought it'd be 45. I mean, it definitely could change, because also, dude, I miss when the work day was 9 to 5. What happened to that, dude? What happened to no paid lunch that I have to take, and then I stay at work till 7 or till 6? What is that? And then I start work at 10, and it's 10 to 7? RPC doesn't work. I mean, yeah, if RPC is too slow, then I'll just do what I know how to do, right? Like I do want to try adding like some special stuff. Like I think I want to have, or because C# has reflection, I should be able to, like, or built-in reflection, right? Like I should be able to easily serialize all the data down into, you know, a bit array and send it really fast. And then I could be able to have, you know, just like a sync button on each thing. And if I want to sync it, I click sync, and it will grab all the data. And then I can make an override inside of it, right? And if I want to only, like for the player, I don't need to know their inventory, but I can override it and then get whatever I need, right? So I think that's what I'm gonna do if it doesn't work, but we don't know. So, and I don't want to start that now because it would also take a while. So I apologize, gamers, but like it's a 2.5 hour game dev stream, but we got the goal done. So is it really a loss? And I learned, and you learned, maybe. Look, I swear, we're gonna. Okay, look, I promise. Okay, I promise. All right, maybe not tomorrow, but probably actually Thursday. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I will be back again, and we can do more, because I do want to do more. Like again, it's been so long, and you know, like I can feel every day I don't work on my game and program, I can feel my mind melting. You know what I mean? So like I just gotta get back into doing it more so that my brain doesn't die, right? That's just like a pretty big W. So you know, I want to do it just like not even for the content, but for my sanity. Big win for us. We learned that Godot can indeed multiplayer. I mean, I think Sant knew that, but maybe not everyone else. Maybe everyone else is like, wow, this Luxo guy, he's really like a freaking smart dude. Anyways, maybe tomorrow. No promises. But if not tomorrow, then for sure Friday, okay? I'll do another game dev stream, and then this weekend, we'll play shitty mobile game. Oh, but actually, hold on. Before I end stream, you guys know that there's like Twitch has built-in ad or like sponsorships that you can run now. They're so ass, dude. Hold on, look at this. Okay, how do I find it? Is it in They sent me an alert earlier and I looked at it and it was so fucking stupid, dude. It was like I can't find it. I don't even oh, sponsorships right here. Yeah. Okay, here, look. Okay, so look, I could get sponsored to play creator pro. Hold on, is that bad? Am I supposed to show this? For your eyes only. Okay, yeah, never mind. Don't show this. Oh no, I see. This is this is for me to have people sponsor me. Okay, I don't give a shit about this. But yeah, look at this. So okay, $20 base play and $25 per new user, right? Which for a stream, that sounds pretty good. Then you click it, and it's like fucking I have to run for 15 days and do a 2-hour stream for 15 days. And I gotta hype the game. Okay, but that's not the look, this is a game at least, right? Like Royal Match, what I had to play this. Okay, HelloFresh. How do I hype HelloFresh for a fucking hour for 30 days? How? How do I do that, dude? Like, I don't know, dude. That's great. Like, I come on my stream every day and I go, guys, I mean, I guess I could cook one, but okay, they don't send me one, right? Like, if I join the campaign, I'm pretty confident that I have to buy HelloFresh, and then I guess I could cook on stream, maybe for an hour, but for 30 fucking days? Yeah, I guess that's the only thing I could do. Don't even know if you have. I will say though, it says that if I get 8 people, I get $1,200, which I'm almost sure that is fake news, and they're just lying to get fucking dumb idiot small streamers to do this. Because there's no okay. Here, not sponsored, but like, okay, let's just go to HelloFresh. How much does it cost if I buy a meal kit? How much does it cost for a monthly meal kit? Because if it's $150, like, okay, if I had to spend $150 to get a month's worth of food, that already is slightly a scam, dude. Like, okay, yeah, it's $59 for 2 people, 3 meals a week. If I get 6, it's $119. It's still not even close to what the fuck they're paying. So yeah, it's just a scam. This shit is a scam. Guys, I'm never doing a sponsor stream unless they pay me $1 million, okay? I don't know if I do a sponsor stream ever. I think doing sponsor streams is so boring. Like, I guess, like, okay, if Monster Hunter Wilds was like, we want to sponsor you to play our game, and I was already gonna do it, then I guess, you know, we take those. But you know, actually, I wonder if big streamers do that purposefully. They're like, yeah, actually, I'm not even gonna play Monster Hunter Wilds. It like looks fucking boring. And then the company's like, yo, yeah, I sponsor you, and I'm like, yeah, I have money to do what I was gonna do already. Because like I remember like all of OTV variety streamers when Multiverses came out, they all got sponsored. You know who didn't? Ludwig, the Smash guy, because they know he's gonna play that shit, dude. So like, I should just be negative about, or not negative, but like, you know, not excited about every fucking game. Yeah, 100% not worth it to invest in that shit, dude. I mean, if you're doing sponsor streams as a fucking 5 viewer Andy, there's something's wrong with you, dude. So, anyways, thanks for watching the stream, gamers. I swear, all right, either tomorrow or day afterwards, I will press the @P Rogue Gaming again. All right, I swear, promise. And then this weekend we will do game stream, and then hopefully we get into that rhythm again. Okay, I want to ideally do like 2 dev streams and 1 game stream. All right. Anyways, take it easy.